When you first pick up the Gerber Prybrid, you'll be amazed by its simple take on the traditional utility knife. This unique multi-tool is designed to be the perfect addition to a tool belt with its built-in pry bar, nail puller, and bottle opener, but could just as easily make its way into your pocket as an everyday carry multi-tool. The Gerber Prybrid features a standard size razor blade, which can easily be replaced when it becomes dull. It also features a comfortable G10 handle scale for added grip and style, which are available in either olive green or gray. This little multi-tool is an awesome addition to any EDC rotation and well worth the purchase. It comes standard with Gerber's lifetime warranty and is built to last. Have you considered carrying a utility blade as your everyday carry knife? Let us know in the comments. Get yours by clicking the link in the description. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.